welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a winter makeup look and it's super easy. It's very neutral eyes, a bold brow, and a bold lip. What I really love about a bold lip is if you have anything on your face that you would like to hide, like a blemish or anything, a bold lip really just draws your attention to your lips and really helps hide the blemishes or imperfections in your skin. So that's why I really love a bold lip. I really made this look with a variety of different products, and don't worry if you don't have them, you can always use anything similar. And if you want to see this look, just keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to start out with MAC Select Cover Up, and I am in the shade NW15, and this is about a shade lighter than my skin tone. And I'm going to be putting this all over my lid as a primer, and I'm going to put that up into my eyebrow a little bit so that when I do my eyebrows later, the powder will stay better. And be careful when you apply this concealer because a little bit goes a long way and I definitely put too much. Then I'm going to set it with the Makeup Forever setting powder. Then I'm going to go in with my Marc Jacobs eyeliner in black, and I'm just going to dot this all along my lash line, and I'm not being precise at all here. I'm going to go in later to smooth it out, so I'm really just trying to tightline it here and get it as close to my lashes as possible. Then I'm going to take this flat eyeliner brush, and like I said earlier, I'm going to smooth this out into a smooth line. And I'm going to extend it just a little bit. It's not even really a wing, I'm just extending it a tiny bit. So now I'm just pushing it up a little bit because I really want it to look soft and airy and fluffy. Next I'm going to go in my Naked 2 Urban Decay palette, and I'm going to take the shade Booty Call, and this is like kind of like the off-white shade, shimmery. I'm going to take this flat shader brush and put it underneath my brow, but it wasn't light enough for me, so I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette in the shade White Peach, and I'm going to go over that again. And again, I'm using that same flat shader brush. Alright, I'm going to take Puree from the same Sweet Peach palette and a fluffy brush, and I'm just going to be sweeping that in my crease and blending that out really well. Then I'm going to take White Peach again, I'm going to put that in my inner corner, and I'm going to sweep that a little bit towards the middle of my eye. And this will really show when you see the end product. Okay, so I'm going to take that MAC Select Cover Up concealer again, and I'm going to be putting this in a triangle shape under my eyes. So I'm going to go down the side of my nose and then up to the outer corner of my eye, so it'll make a triangle shape. And like I said, this stuff goes a long way, so you don't need too much. Yeah, the light's totally hitting this and it's making me look really washed out, so sorry. So to help prevent creasing, you really want to pat from the outer corner into the inner corner, and that really helps prevent creasing. That's why I'm doing that so many times. And then I'm going to set that with the Makeup Forever setting powder. Then I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal True Match foundation. I love this stuff. This foundation is a little bit darker than my skin tone. When I bought this, it was summertime and I had a little bit of a tan, but I really love this foundation. And I never mentioned what shade my foundation was in, and I am in the shade W3. So I'm going to take White Peach again and a fluffy brush, and I'm going to put that in that triangle shape underneath my eyes for some more brightening. So I'm going to take that same eyeliner brush with what's left on there from when I did my eyeliner before, and I'm going to put that on my bottom lash line. And I just did this because I really didn't want a harsh line, I wanted it very soft. So I used one side of the brush on that eye, and then I turned it over, used the other side of the brush for my other eye. Now I'm going to do my brows, and I'm doing short strokes just to mimic hair a little bit. And I am doing a more bold brow. So I'm going to take my time here. Okay, next I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly Mascara, and I'm going to do my bottom lashes first. And then my top lashes. And then next, from my Ulta makeup kit, I'm going to take this gold highlighter. It's really not that gold. It might have some gold sparkle in it, but it's really more white. And I'm going to put that on the tops of my cheekbones. I'm also going to put this on my Cupid's bow and down the center of my nose. Now pack on that bronzer. Okay, so I'm going to take this nude pink blush, and it's more of a darker shade, and I'm going to be putting that on the backs of my cheeks and just blending that into my bronzer. Then I'm going to take the Clinique blush in the shade Precious Posy. Here in a second. Come on. Let's go. There it is. Okay, yes, I'm going to be taking that and putting that on the apples of my cheeks and just blending that back a little bit. I really just wanted that pop of pink there. Next, I'm taking the Ulta Beauty Matte Lip Balm, and this is in the shade Stirring. And I'm just putting that all over my lips. Alright guys, that's the final look. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!